to my channel. So I wanted to actually show you guys like my full morning and what I get up to and some of the problems that we come up with on site. But I forgot to film because literally while I was still at the gym, the guys called me. So they had made arrangements to come here early but didn't talk to me about it. So I had to like quickly leave the gym, get the stuff that they wanted, and then when I got here I was a little bit annoyed because they didn't follow instructions. So as problem solving, I guess would have been nice for you guys to see as a day in the life of an interior designer. It sounds so weird to be saying that because it's like what I'm trying to not even rebrand, but like that's where I want my career to go. I want to step away from architecture and really try and spend this year, while I still have the privilege to do so, to experiment in the, not even experiment, to try and establish myself in the interior design space. So yeah, now that I've composed myself, because they really annoyed me, they even giving me a nickname now, but you know what they say about girls, they like to say we're over emotional, we can't take jokes, blah 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 blah. So I'm gonna like low-key ride with it, make sure we still have like a kiki. Yeah, I wish I could understand what they were saying because they're speaking in Tsonga. So yeah, I don't understand Tsonga at all. I can't even say I know a few words, nada. But yeah, anyway, I just have to close the door, it's so cold. So let me walk you guys in. Oh wait, so I don't know if should I actually explain what the problems were at first? Okay, so right now they're busy tiling the wall in the bedroom, and on the first day I had told them that we don't want spacers in the bedroom. And last night the guys were like, no, we want to finish the job, blah 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 blah. And I was like, no, because you guys are coming back tomorrow, let's finish tomorrow. I don't want you guys continuing tonight because you're gonna make mistakes. So anyway, they did just 2 tiles last night. When I came back, I saw that they had a spacer. So I was like, no guys, there's no spacers on the side. You literally need to push the tiles together. They're like, no, it's too stacked. I was like, no, we need to try. So eventually, so easy for them. Like they were complaining so much, you would think it was the biggest catastrophe, but it literally took them like a few seconds, not even a minute. Like it wasn't even a full minute to remove the tile completely intact. I was like, gosh, people like to complain. But anyway, they removed the tile. Right now guys, you need to watch people. Hey, you need to watch them, make sure they actually do the things, because they're annoyed with how long this thing is taking, because they underestimated. They're like, no, we can do it in a day and a half, blah, 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 blah. Day 3. Okay, so anyway, I'm talking too much. I'm sure you guys would rather prefer to see what's going on. So let's go. Why not grinder up? Are you removing the tile? It's why not grinder up? Oh. Okay, ama-straps kodwa as full yeah, but kumele I covered this side of the tile lying up.
Hey,
Okay. Okay. Or mhlawumbe mina ngizakubonisa how they did it on the other side. Uzobona into engishowing. Yeah, ngifuni beso. Ngifuna lokhu bengapha. Hayi ngapha.
Kube so?
Yes.
Manje lana ezovalwa ngani sesina?
Angithi kune tile lapha. So angithi lena ingena underneath the tile.
Le mawuyifaka ngapha itile esilalana ngeke lingene ngoba selivalwe ngalento.
I-tile kanti ayingeni la.
Ifanele ingene la. Mara mawuyifake kanje, kusho ukuthi le ungayifaka before ufake i-tiles. And akwenziwa kanjalo.
So yena bayenze kanjani ngale kanti?
sis.
Le enkulu ivele ngapha because it's too much.
Mara nala uyabona ukuthi njani.
Yeah, right, my soul.
It's exactly good like that. Right.
So now he's saying, so can we do the same thing la kwilawa?
Yes.
Lawa sesangeke ayenzeke. Ngoba amathayilisi sekafakiwe ebondweni.
Okay. But lapa it's not so bad because it's black.
Yeah.
But lapa because imhlophe, it just doesn't look nice.
Uyosebenza sona lesi.
Yebo.
And then lama strips are black lapho usebenza kuphi? Eza la. Angena kuphi?
What do you mean angena kuphi?
Edging it.
Kanti namathayilisi lawa angena lana.
Yeah.
Take them back and say, guys, we didn't choose this.
No, if we can have them, ne? And the box is still here. I think the only thing is that if that one tile didn't break, it would be perfect.
That one time is not allowed. So we got more of these. We only got 2 of these, and these are really nice.
But I can see that one tile is still prettier than this one.
Yeah, no, but that one we can use on the side. So on one of the sides we can use. Okay,
anyways, Lena say I think these 2 must be on the inside.
I feel like it.
The stalker side. Okay. I've been neglecting the content. This is not nice.
I don't like it.
Peggy, puma kanjani? Kalula kanjani?
But I feel like this guy is wrong because you don't choose this pattern. Why don't you send me what you choose?
Yeah. I guess because they're trying to emulate nature. And in nature, not everything.
The nature I chose is the one I saw.
Yo, let me go. Stella was waiting outside for me.
What do you think? How do you make it out?
Yay. Hey guys, so right now I'm on my way to Buco or to Builder's Warehouse. I still haven't decided. I'm just gonna say a little prayer on my way because they're right next to each other. So I'm gonna say a little prayer on my way to the place so that God can just guide me to the right store that will give me exactly what I want in the shortest amount of time. I need to buy a plank, literally. I need to just buy a plank for what we're trying to tile. We're trying to tile the bathtub in a certain way. However, the people that previously advised us told us that we could do it, that they were able to do what we wanted to do without adding extra stuff. But now these guys are like, no, they can't do it like that. So instead of arguing too much, I'm just gonna go get what they need to make sure that we have a smooth transition and that they are able to actually do their job confidently and good. That's all we want. We want confident, good contractors, tilers, the works. So, my lips are so dry. Guys, my lips are so dry. Oh my gosh, the way I've been neglecting myself, like, the last 2 months. Like, anyway. My life. Okay, so I'm here at Builders. Just using the front camera because I don't want anyone to see me. They'll see the phone though. So I'm here right now. I'm gonna ask these guys. Jenny? Okay. Thanks. You feeling Jenny? Oh, bring my tattoo video. Oh, no. 16 mil board. Yeah, but the cheapest one you have. Sifuna kuyifaka by the bathtub because khona manje angithi sifuna ukuthale the bathtub kodwa i-space set is too thick, so sifuna ukufaka i-board kuqala and then so tile on top of the board. So we just need something as like a space. Yeah. The cheapest one you have.
The cheapest one, if I'm not mistaken, is
No, ayabiza la.
remember the first night. It was a little
Tunapita mfanye plaster mix.
Yeah.
boy, you be pressing, babe. Like cappuccino. It's my coffee time. Mocha, espresso, latte, cappuccino.
Kira design hii.
Ito kaka.
Ito ya body market.
Kodi muka.
So which part of Naga will we go?
Toha eh.
Okay, this side.
You want these two colors to align, la?
Ngasusa bucket lele la no.
That's the best. If we don't align this, we're really fun.
Yeah.
So we don't align them. So the way they cut this one, the mascara exactly the same is exactly the same because they're the same color.
Yeah. Sasa kona lel. Ilel.
Ushanga kama
They're the same, just that they will cut them opposite.
No, ngona len sa kona in len.
Yeah, it's the same color.
Oh,
It's
il.
the same as this one. Now if I have to cut it opposite.
Okay. How are you liking it?
No, I haven't. Actually not as dark as I thought.
Yeah, there's a lot of whites. Not
Remember
white, but
we
this
said
light
we were gonna make it
variation.
dark, but it's
Yeah. Alright, sing weird in your phone. Yeah. So you wanted this pattern laying pants. It must line up with the top one.
Okay.
Yeah. So it looks like it's one thing.
No, I used to line
No, but just the lightness of it.
No, the lightness will it must be cut
This side.
not that
This
way.
side, grinder. I know the hard.
Oh,
Maybe
that's
that's
what
what
they
I
keep
did as
repeating
well.
the same thing. I see. As far as.
Okay, then it's jikiseke bese ngikhathana. Then mase nifaka ngithi izobuya ngikhipha right there.
The side the grinder. We don't
lingena la likhatwa.
So should kumele ihlale kanje.
Yeah, but it's not so bad because
It's
these
fine,
colors,
because
la,
then
they
these
almost
colours,
match.
They will match. So
Yeah.
it's fine as long as ikhathwe ngapha.
Okay, just Leana guys, is right. Okay, so originally we had left space in here actually to put the lighting in. So now we're gonna have to cut out a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, let's go into the bathroom. I know it's hard to see because we're not done, but guys, the black towel with the black grounds. And they're like looking at me weird when I told them I want to use black grounds, but it is perfect. Like, oh, I have goosebumps. It is perfect. So you see a little bit dirty here, but it hasn't been cleaned. So it just looks really good. And then this side. Love it. Hey, siyaphela. Okay, this place is such a mess. But I want to show you what we went to go collect. So it's these boards right here. They're so beautiful. Oh, that has a... I hope it's not scratched. Anyway, yeah, so these are the boards we use in the bedroom. And then these ones... Okay, I need to take all of this off because they're too longish to flip over. Okay, can you guys see? Okay, these ones we're using in the bathroom. This space, Bob's didn't finish today. But the progress we did make was adding in the mirrors and the windows. We finished those up. Then I'm gonna get to that other one. She's okay, I suppose. And then this thing.